Hello students, I welcome you back to my channel where we have already started this chapter sound at class 8 level. We have already had one session. This is the second class today, and in this class we are going to study about the characteristics of sound. I have noted down a few terms over here which you can see. Today we are going to discuss loudness, pitch and quality. These three terms, amplitude, frequency and time period, have already been discussed. If you have not gone through that video, it is in the first video. Do refer to that to understand these terms as well. So we will begin with this, and before beginning with this, first of all we should know how does the sound travel. You know that when somebody speaks, even if somebody is speaking to us from a distance, the sound reaches our ears even if we are standing across the field as well, right? So how does the sound reach our ear? Sound must be traveling. So the question is, how does the sound travel? The answer to this is sound travels as waves. Okay, waves. And we have already discussed sound travels as waves in the form of vibrations. We have already done vibrations. So when sound has to travel from the source to the listener, it sets the particles in between, whether it is air, whether it is solid, it sets the particles in vibrations. These vibrations move as wave and reach the ear of the listener. So very important is that sound waves are traveling in the form of waves by the means of vibration of the particles of the medium. We have already discussed these three terms. Now, any sound is characterized mainly by these three: loudness, pitch and quality. We will be studying these now one by one. So, the first is loudness. This is a common word which you must have heard in the class, which you must have heard from your parents. Don't be so loud, slow down. Teachers, loud noise is coming, children. Please don't make noise. Why are you so loud? Speak loudly. Why are you so low? Yes? So this word is already you are aware of this word. So the loudness refers to the intensity of the sound. कितनी intense है sound, कितनी तेज है sound. What word will we use? Loudness refers to the intensity of the sound. More the intensity, more the loudness, lesser the intensity, lesser the loudness. If I make a sound, say, hello children, and I say, hello children, which one is loud? The second one is loud. So the second one has more loudness because I have put more energy in this sound. So sound produced with more energy will have more loudness, or more intensity will have more loudness. And if we want to relate to these three characteristics, these are also characteristics which we studied earlier. Loudness correlates to amplitude. Whenever we draw a wave, it is drawn like this. This is a waveform, children, okay? The details of this are there in the higher classes, class 9th. You can refer to the video of class 9th also if you want. Then it is explained clearly. Now, we have done, if you remember, we have done the pendulum, and there we have done that the distance between the mean and the extreme position is called the amplitude. If I draw another one here, this is the distance, then this becomes the amplitude. And we see that this amplitude is more than this. Similarly, if we represent this in the form of wave, then which one will have more amplitude? A or B? This distance is referred to as the amplitude. अपनी mean position से कितना दूर? So this is the mean position. This is the extreme position. Back to the mean position. Extreme position on the other side. Then back to the mean position. One oscillation. This is making one oscillation. So A or B, which one will have more amplitude or more loudness? A has more loudness. This is the representation of loudness. It shows the intensity of the sound. Then we come to next the pitch. Pitch refers to shrillness. Shrillness का मतलब कितनी sharp है sound, कितनी तीखी है sound. If I say तीखी sound, will you tell me males have a तीखी sound or the females have that sound, sharp sound? So females have a sharper sound than the sound of the male. Just without looking also, if somebody is speaking outside, you can easily make out whether it is a male voice or a female voice, because there is a difference in the pitch of the sound. Sounds of higher pitch are more shrill. Sounds of lower pitch are less shrill. Females have a high shrill voice while males have a low shrill voice. Is this clear, children? And pitch can be related to frequency. Pitch can be related to frequency. We have done in the previous session that frequency refers to the number of vibrations per second. So when there are more vibrations in the given second, there is more shrillness. Less vibrations means less shrillness. Let's see. Suppose this is a wave and this is, here the time is 1 second. Let me draw one more and the time is 1 second. Now in this there is one wave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.5 waves. And here 1, 2, 3. Here there are 3 waves. So which one has more frequency? I said more vibrations means more frequency. So here we have more vibrations. And here we have less vibrations. देखो ये एक हो गया, मीन पोजीशन से एक्सट्रीम, फिर मीन, फिर एक्सट्रीम, फिर मीन, ये एक वाइब्रेशन होगी. ऐसे ही सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, 6.5. हियर द फ्रीक्वेंसी 6.5 हर्ट्ज. और यहाँ पे कितनी है? मीन पोजीशन से एक्सट्रीम, फिर मीन, एक्सट्रीम ऑन द अदर साइड, फिर मीन, एक वाइब्रेशन हो गई. ऐसे ही दूसरी and third. So here the frequency is 3 hertz. So you see here this is 6 hertz, this is 3 hertz because time taken is 1 second in both, and more the frequency, more the pitch. Okay? More the frequency, more is the pitch or the shrillness of the sound. Then we have to discuss the third one, which is quality. Now quality is something, let me ask you a question. Suppose you are listening to my voice and you are suppose not familiar with my voice because you have been watching my videos, you are familiar with my voice. Without looking at your phone, you will be able to say that yes, Shalini ma'am's video is going on. Okay. Now suppose your father is watching KBC and there who is speaking? Amitabh ji. So there, even without looking into what your father is watching, at least you will be able to identify, yes, this is Amitabh Bachchan's voice. Because every instrument, every person, every living or non-living object has a particular quality of sound. Okay? There's another word which can be used for quality and the word is timbre. Timbre. So the quality of the sound varies from object to object, person to person, which helps us to identify the object. Another example I'll give you. One of your friends is playing a piano and one of your friends is playing a tabla. Your eyes are closed. आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कौन सी आवाज पियानो की है, कौन सी तबला की है. You will very easily identify ये पियानो की आवाज है and this is that of the tabla because the quality of the two is different. So quality is a characteristic of the sound which helps us to distinguish one type of sound from the other one. Alright. So these are the 3 characteristics of sound: loudness, pitch and quality. If suppose we go on to add more characteristics, then we can add amplitude, frequency and time period as well. Talking of this pitch, of this quality, if you have seen a guitar, a sitar, any stringed instrument, if you have felt the strings of the guitar or the sitar, the strings have different thickness. Some strings are thin, some are thick. And if you vibrate each string separately, you will observe that each string produces a sound of different quality. Okay? And then we can change the frequency of the sound also by tightening or loosening the string. When we tighten the string, the frequency increases, the sound becomes more shrill. When we loosen the string, the frequency decreases, so the shrillness of the sound also decreases. Therefore, by adjusting these different thickness, tightness, we can change the quality of the sound, and this is how different types of sounds can be produced with one instrument. So it's really very interesting to know about sound. Today's video I'll stop here, and in the next session we will continue with the same chapter, discussing the next topic, how the sound propagates, means how the sound moves. For the time being, I'll take your leave. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye-bye children. Be happy.